And up we go.
Yay!
So what kind of view we get?
Oh my god, it's great, so high.
We've got the little arm over there. Some of the caravan parks. Wing cups and happy days over there. Palings that way. That's Jenny. Now we're tilting over and facing down. Straight to the ground.
This is when you've got to trust, isn't it? That these races are going to hold you in.
This is where you trust the harnesses
I know.
down. I think they were loading somebody else on the other side, weren't they?
Oh shit, what was that? Oh no, I got it! Oh no,
I'm quite liking this. I like this. Hey, this is good fun. I'm enjoying this, Jen. Running as well.
Oh my god! Are they doing this on purpose? That's the entire. It's doing this on purpose. It's glorious. Heaven to God.
Hey!
Oh my god! Oh! Oh no! No! Oh. No! Why do you have to go around this? Shit! Look around dog! Oh my god! Oh shit, that's better. Oh my god, that's all.
That was good fun. I enjoyed that. It's quite intense at times, the flipping over and the...
Oh shit.
Now we're going to get hung up here for a bit, are we? Or somebody gets up at the bottom.
No.
Straight down now.
Are they pissing around now? I mean,
Okay. That was good, it's intense.
Is it wet? What was it like? That was terrifying.
It's probably
Really? Would you go on it again? No. No, I might do it again.
I'll do it again.
Yeah.